Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla Ascent, stock reference number 5578. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 10th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 2 dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand taillight. Tailgate has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater control. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Sunglass holder type. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with display button only.